like that.
The marketing manager of Pornhub, and her name is Natalia Houghton. Natalia hasn't been in the industry long, having joined at the end of 2018. However, she has already been recognized as a major force, having won the XBiz Marketing Executive of 2020. Good job, Natalie. We're very proud of you, and we're very excited for your talk, which is on, do you want to show
Yes,
what her
absolutely.
talk is?
So metadata on tubes, so the language of traffic, metadata for tubes and clip sites. Natalia, welcome. Are you with us?
Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm the marketing manager of the Pornhub Model Program. Some of you might have met me during the events in the last year. I'm sorry I can't be there in person and we can't meet in person, but it is the unfortunate global climate right now. So I wanted to give this presentation on the search data and the metadata for Pornhub. Hopefully it helps you optimize moving forward and really help you gain some traffic in the next couple of months. So to start, the search function. Our Pornhub system is actually based on a very simple concept. Pretty much what you type into the search bar is what you get. So keep that in mind, because if you have a misspelling in your title, if you have an incorrect tag, if your category isn't what you really think is the best for your video, these things will impact how many people actually see your video, unfortunately. Also keep in mind your target market. So think about who the end user might be, how they might spell things. These will impact how your search works. The most important factor is really the title. Think about when a user inputs right in the beginning, right into the search function. If they haven't actually touched and haven't changed their settings, the first thing it will take is actually copying what they wrote and actually searching for an exact title of that. That being said, the title is the most important factor of a search function. Most users don't really play around with their settings. So they would really input whatever it is that they want into the bar, and the first thing that our system looks for is the title and tries to match the title exactly to what was written. So what we really suggest is making sure that your stage name is on every single one of your titles. That way, when your fans are actually looking for you, your videos will be first to pop out because your stage name is already in the title. So for example, let's say your title was Asa Akira is riding a dig. The first thing the system will do is look for that exact sentence in a video, and then it'll try to match it closer and closer, and then it'll start looking into tags and categories. So ideally, you put your stage name right in the beginning or in the end. It doesn't quite have to be sensical. It could be in parentheses, but your stage name should appear there, and it should help build your fan, your loyalty, and your marketing around your brand development as well. Another traffic increase that I wanted to point out, because I think this is something everyone could kind of jump on board, but traffic from the Asian continent has drastically increased in the last year. We're seeing a lot more searches for women and men from those nations as well. So people are looking for Japanese, Korean, Filipino, Indian, and Chinese models. However, we're also seeing really interesting trends such as ahegao and hentai and cosplay increasing because of that traffic. So these are things that you can do. You can do an ahegao phase. You could really look into popular hentai and doing cosplays, things like that. So takeaway though is relying on your tags and categories to try to get those populations to start watching your videos. Not worth it, because your videos might get downvoted, or we're just going to remove the tags ourselves on the back end. So keep that in mind. Final words in conclusion for this seminar. Tastes are incredibly variable. I know I mentioned very specific categories and very specific tags and what you should do, but at the end of the day, people will search for anything, and Rule 34 of the internet, meaning if you can think of it, it's going to be a porno, very much applies. People search for everything, carrots, sticks, etc. Everything you could think of, it's been searched, and we have some search volume for it. So the lesson here for you is not to necessarily follow the herd. Just because I gave you tags and categories and trends, if it doesn't fit your style, if you don't feel comfortable, don't do it, because you will find a niche, and there will always be someone out there that's going to try to buy and watch your content.
Ok, esa entrevista se acabó.
Like that.